Hey everybody, it's Lisa Medley, and I am here to share with you about your self-healing superpower. Your body is naturally designed to heal itself. I'm going to say that again. Your body is naturally designed to heal itself. So just starting with a really simple example you're probably familiar with is like when you get a paper cut. You know, when you cut your finger and you go to bed and you get up the next day and it's different. Something has changed. It's a little smaller or it's closing up. And that's your body at work. Your body knows what to do. You don't even have to think about it. It's just naturally intelligent and it's all built in. This is your physiological, energetic reality. It's the truth of who your body is and how it works, is that it knows what to do. It knows how to heal. Now, sometimes it needs interventions, surgeries, medications, modalities, therapies. Sure, depending on what's going on, the severity, the intensity, there's lots of factors. And even with those inputs, those additional healing modalities or interventions, your body you're still engaged with that. It still knows how to heal. And the more that you can get out of the way, meaning releasing expectations and, am I done yet? And I should be, the more that you can just take a breath and give some space around those external shoulds, obligations, expectations that aren't your body, and give your body the time and the space for it to do what it knows how to do, the better off you'll be. Now, one really important aspect of engaging the self-healing superpower is to get out of the stress response. Because your body can't be fighting saber-toothed tigers and healing at the same time. It's one or the other. Now we have capacity for both. We have capacity for all of that, which is really, really good. It's really important to, when we're driving down the highway and somebody comes into our lane or is about to, and we fight that perceived saber-toothed tiger, we're fighting for our life, we want to get out of that situation. Our body just knows what to do. It engages in that response. Now it also can engage in, okay, now, where were we? Let's just get back to the present moment and then help recover. So it's naturally designed for that. And frankly, we live in a world, in a culture that is chronically stressed out to the point of really an inhumane amount, especially right now. So you can participate in your healing process. Whether you're healing from something very acute right now on a physical level, emotional, psychological, spiritual, soulful level, whatever is going on for you, the more that you can get out of the stress response and just come back to the present moment, because that will tell you where you are in the present moment. If your life is not at stake, you can take a breath and you can engage in some kind of restorative act to just bring you back to ease, just bring you back to center, to bring you back to calm. Little bits at a time. And that is powerful for your body, because then your body's self-healing mechanisms can do their job. They're waiting for that. They're waiting for you to give it the thumbs up that, okay, cool, we don't need to fight tigers right now. We can heal and we can restore. So you have that. Engage that power by getting out of the stress mode as much as possible. And know that there is another place to go. Your body will operate more effectively and efficiently when you can get out of the stress response. So take a breath as much as possible and know that that in and of itself is a simple, powerful act to remind your body that it's okay and it can do its job and help you be well. So be well.